Hey guys, it's your girl Naturally Nay. I'm gonna show you today how I got this finger coil with the cancel, but not really, Eco Gold. Stay tuned. Yeah, so before we get too far into this product review, because that's really all it is a product review, I want to make sure I address some of the issues that people have been having with Eco Gold. Some people say that it's been making their hair fall out, their eyes burn, and all kinds of horrible experiences because there's non-natural ingredients in the product. It's a gel. Most gels that are $3 to $5 are gonna have non-natural ingredients in the product. I want you guys to be clear on why'd you go natural. If you went natural because you want the most organic, the most all-natural ingredients to touch your hair, skin, and scalp, then this might not be the product for you. If you're somebody like me who want natural simply because they don't like perms, then maybe you might want to try it. This video is just to show you how it works on my hair and to see if you want to try it. Like everything else, trial and error. Be aware of what you're using. Watch how your hair reacts to it. If you have an adverse reaction to it, stop. If you don't, keep using it. Thanks. So this is the Gold Eco Style. It's the olive oil, shea butter, and black castor oil and flaxseed. Can you see that? So this Gold Eco Styler has been out for a while now. It's gotten a lot of talk around the YouTuberverse. I've mentioned before that I'm kind of sketchy when it comes to gels. My hair likes creams and butters, but when it comes to wash and goes and things like that, you gotta kind of use a gel to help define the curls and hold them in place. I was introduced to Eco Styler with the argan oil Eco Styler with the red top. I ain't like it. Then I was introduced to the olive oil one. I liked it better than the red top, but I didn't like it either. And the main reason why I don't like them is because they flake really, really easy in my hair. And I know it's a balancing act with different products, but it seemed like whatever I used, Eco Styler tended to flake in my hair. The only time I would really use it would just be to lay down edges. That's really the main time I would use gel. Plus, I haven't been able to find a gel that just didn't feel crunchy. So now that it is at a price that I am willing to pay, I was willing to see what the fuss was about. Now, I wasn't in the mood for a wash and go, but one style that I've been wanting to do is the finger coils. I've never done them, and so we're gonna try today. And another reason why I decided to go ahead and try finger coils today is that if it goes horribly wrong, you guys can get a laugh, and then I'm going to my beautician in a few days anyway, so she can fix it for me. So there you go. So I have already co-washed with the Cream of Nature, that Cream of Nature Pure Honey line. I already gotta take the top off and get to it like that, because what I said before, she thick.
A few moments later.
So I've got my hair sectioned off per usual. We are going to start with this first section. And like I said, I'm going to the beautician. So this ashy green is about to be gone. I'm about to get my color touch back up so she can be nice and pretty and popping blue again. I'm gonna do a little side part and do the finger coils. Now here's the other thing that I've heard. I heard this process takes a while. We gonna really hope this come out cute, because I don't want to be putting a whole bunch of finger coils in my hair and I can't even do nothing with it. Eco Styler Gold. We about to pop the seal, ladies and gentlemen. Oh shit. I'm gonna take off the whole damn top. Okay, well I can tell you already, I love the way she smells. The smell is really nice. It smells perfumey, kind of cologne-y. It's just real pleasant. I don't know how else to explain it except like pleasant and slightly like a man. So let's start this process. I'm not really seeing any flakes yet. And we're gonna start the coil process. Now, everything I've heard about finger coiling is that you gotta make sure you get it tight around the edge, the root of the hair. That if you don't make sure you coil tightly, especially around the root, that you're gonna end up with puffy coils. You're gonna lose some curl. When people do this right, they say they like it better than the wash and go. I don't know if y'all can see close up. I need to get close up and make sure I'm not seeing no flakes because I'm already getting paranoid. I'm already seeing flakes, and I don't know if this is because of the mixture that I used or if it's just the product. I will say that in the actual coil that I've already completed, I don't see any flaking. So I'm thinking it's just because the hair is wet and just the whole, it's just, I don't know, we gonna see. All right guys, so this is the first section done. We got about 7 coils in this section. I'm probably gonna end up doing about maybe a total of 10 in each of the other sections, which means I'm gonna have about 37 to 40 of these. I'm not gonna cuss. I'm gonna have about 37 to 40 of these things in my head. That's gonna take a minute. So I'm gonna finish this up and come back when my whole head is done. All right, I'm gonna snap my fingers and then you're gonna see it's gonna be like poof. Snap my fingers, snap.
Eventually.
We're back. I'm completely done with my whole head. I have a total of 40 finger coils in my hair. So now I'm going to let this dry. While I'm letting this dry, so with all this eco being canceled, in particular this gold version being canceled, while I was doing these finger coils, a couple of these mugs hit me dead in my eye. I know I got gel in my eye. However, I didn't experience any of the tearing or the extra chemically smell. Maybe that's what the cologne, what I think smells like cologne, maybe that's what other people feel like is the chemicals. I never expected this to be like one of those organically, chemically free products. It's a gel. Yeah, so I will put my bonnet on and I will see y'all in the AM.
Tomorrow.
Hey guys, we're back. It's the next morning. I've sufficiently slept on these coils. First things first, I'm gonna get my secret sauce, a little oil. So I have uncoiled all of my coils. I am absolutely loving the curl pattern. Side note, I'm about to take this bad boy right here and get it shaping and styling.
12 seconds later.
Okay, so this is what we ended up with, and I'm pretty pleased. All in all, after shaping, fluffing, and everything, I think we have a really cute alternative to a wash and go. I don't have no crunch. I don't have no super hard curls. This feels like I used a cream instead of a gel. So you got the curl definition and the hold of a gel while the moisturizing agent of the cream, which is perfect for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you had fun watching me coil my hair up and to coil it down. I hope you liked it. I hope you learned something. Hit me up in the comment section below. Let me know if you liked it, if there's something you wanted me to do differently. Hopefully, if you learned something, you'll try the finger coils yourself too. If you tried them out, how did they come out? Did you like it on yourself? Did you not? If you did, send me pictures. You can send them to me. I'm on Instagram at naturallynaypics. I really appreciate you guys watching. Hit the subscribe button too. Peace out. You know what? This little piece of hair, it's cute in the mirror, but yeah.